Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Google Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open Play Store and search for Google Wallet. Download and install the app on your phone. After installation, open Google Wallet and sign in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, tap on the option that says Add Payment Card. Now select New Credit or Debit Card. You can scan your card using the camera or enter the card details manually. After entering the details, tap Continue to move forward. Carefully read the terms and conditions and accept them. Next, verify your card with the phone number linked with your bank. Enter the verification code when asked. Once verification is complete, your card will be successfully added to Google Wallet. You can now use Google Wallet to make purchases, payments, and transactions. If you want to add another card later, simply tap the plus icon and repeat the same steps. So, that's basically how you can use Google Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!